Not Jay, Rasa.
Mm.
Damn. Damn, he killed 4. Oh, it's just only one time right now, right? I thought you died twice. One time.
It's only because
Oh, don't.
It's kind of big, so you know, not too big, but like mid.
Yes, mid.
Yes, wallahi.
No.
What the fuck is this? What? I
it's
be dropping that shit.
reload and you from chamber 2 times. Fucking. Hey,
Tama,
right
sa
in the
lang
pussy.
at siyang
Grab him by the
kakpa
pussy.
ko. Ta.
Damn, I
Sinin
got
nila.
0 kills.
Grab him by the pussy.
Yes! What the fuck? I cannot see
Oh
this
shit.
map, bro. I promise you.
I missed.
Alright, I'm number 0. I got 2
Damn.
kills.
My loadout's crazy.
PlayStation will fuck Xbox up for real now.
Alright.
Let him know what we are. Let him know what we are. This X, triangle, box, and circle.
Time to get our hands dirty, Black Ops. Get to work.
Alright, my shit is still stuck.
Yeah, sometimes it's kind of like
One hostile left.
the way, you
Take
know.
that asshole down.
Yeah, switching
Bro, how do I
teams
get
ain't
my-
gonna make this shit right. Hey, bro.
No, how do I get this shit off my screen? I was doing
What is on your screen?
my loadout shit. Where you edit your guns? It's stuck on there.
Spin, bro. You gotta spin.
I was
0. What's up, chat? They were 0 right now.
What's up? Destroy the objective.
I don't know what we're gonna do, bro. To kill themselves? Why you trying us? What the fuck? Yo, he dead already. Planet, there's a glitch. They're dead already, just a glitch.
MCC's in the red. It's now or never.
Yo, this nigga,
Bomb out.
hey, this guy's got a glitch on his screen right now. We're gonna end the game. You guys have this one. We're gonna start again after. Same map.
That's right, you shit. Good work, Woods.
Your squad can do some damage.
Yeah, you gotta restart it, that's all it is.
I thought they fixed it.
That should happen to me
Quiet,
too.
this is PlayStation time.
Yeah, we won.
What? This guy's a traitor, bro.
the fuck?
No, that should be going up ever since that new update shit.
Alright, it's time for me and Che to be a team.
No. Stay there.
Whoa, bro,
Stay
it's too
your ass
easy,
where
bro.
you belong. Come on.
Alright, another win.
It's
Guaranteed.
It's 2-1. It's 2-1. Come on. Okay.
Another win, guaranteed. We can make 10 straight wins, bro, without hesitating, bro. I never played this map, bro. I don't know where the fuck we're going.
Siege.
Take that asshole down.
Oh, you can put the same map. Why the fuck you put
Yo, why you put that map, bro?
Bro, I really will do the fuck.
Wait, did you get...
Oh! Oh, hell no. Nice J, bro.
Hey. Oof.
I died because of that?
I was gonna say, you died
Give
from
me your
that?
finger, boy.
Oh, you got to be kidding me, bro.
Oh,
Where you running
shit.
to? Oh. Yo, I see
Yo,
that say that you
Raza,
try
this
to
nigga, he chose this map to fall off. You know that shit, bro?
Ain't no way.
What?
You,
What?
You
Bro,
know what we do? We
and you still
press
falling.
L2 and R2. That's what we press.
no, look, they,
Slide shot is crazy.
Time's not on our side. Finish him.
That's like stupid stuff.
Oh, you just showed me right at the fucking neck. You stupid. I'm not Troy, nigga.
Another easy win. What the fuck? Yeah.
Take that asshole down. They're gearing up for a final push. Hope you left some in the tank.
Mm.
Only one enemy standing.
Why you calm? You should have won
You
that.
dumb fuck.
She was defending.
Nigga, we're planting.
Bro, what? Say defend on my screen.
That's why you gotta stop using that big
Wait,
controller.
no, I was
The
spectating him.
Xbox
I thought
controller,
I
bro.
was you.
Big
I thought that
ass
was you, my
controller
bad.
you got on.
Playtime, Hey. Let's see what you're made of. Taking the last 4 rounds.
I got irritated, my bad.
Russell, I don't want to blame when he's freaking 5-1.
Yeah, I'm gonna plant the bomb.
Now I'm gonna just let you play it out.
Plant the bomb. Charge is set.
Hmm?
Your last chance. Don't fuck this up.
Go look at the bomb. Go look at the bomb.
Hostiles have
That's good.
defused the bomb. Wipe yourself down if fight ain't over.
Oh, dude is AFK?
Protect the objective. One enemy standing. Find him. End him.
Ooh.
Couldn't handle the heat. It's all on you now.
Hey, that nigga.
One hostile left. Take that asshole down. Clock's ticking, boys. Get down. Quit feeling sorry for yourself. We ain't done yet.
I got lucky.
Da-da-dum, da-da-dum.
Hey,
Right in the knee.
Raza, my bad, yeah, for pistol. I got irritated.
Oh, you good, you good.
Search and destroy. Guns up. Destroy the objective.
You left me there?
Time's not on our side. Finish him. One enemy standing. Find him. End him. Don't fuck this up.
No. Behind you.
Let me call him.
Mission accomplished. We're heading back to
Fuck, my son was distracted.
That's not a GG's. Fuck this map.
I fell off the map twice.
I fell off 3 times.
Sorry guys, I was sleeping, bro. Oh, did I kill you? What the fuck? Yo,
This
bro, how the
guy.
fuck I sleep and kill this guy, bro? No way.
Alright, should I take the second live off?
Yeah.
Why you? That's a feeling good. That's a chance to come back. Why you want to take it off, bro? Oh man.
Shut the fuck up. I can't like, what are you talking right now?
Right.
Hey! Fuck me. Stupid.
Sorry guys, the Xbox gotta go to the water. That Xbox
Hey,
gotta
you
go
need
to
to
the
go back to
water, bro.
school.
And you need to bring out a PlayStation. Rasa, bro. Now you say you carry me, watch me carry your ass. Now you wanna talk about carry, don't you? Alright. Two of them on me, bro. Oh fuck. It's only one time. No more twice. Yo, I
What happened? I
died.
thought you said you were carried.
Chill out, I picked you 1v1 already. If you wanna run it back, feel free, bro.
Don't lie to yourself.
Yo, what happened? Did I chat them?
Wait, hold on. This is 1 life? It is?
I'm never.
You spawn back.
I'm never.
Nice, nice. Yeah, let me play. This time it's my match.
Good luck, brother.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I take that.
If you die, you're dead.
Now what if I won't?
Remember,
I'm your daddy.
You,
If I kill
if
both
you
of
win-
them, I'm your daddy. Hey, never mind.
After 10, what the hell? Come on, FSM. You said. Want me to carry you?
Time to get our hands dirty, Black Ops. Get to work. Take that asshole down.
Oh shit, my bad. You gotta do something, you know. Ain't no way, bro, with that knife.
Not good enough, Black Ops.
Wow.
We have to change that shit. Nah, that was nasty.
Nasty.
0-3, you still gonna win. 0-3 and still gonna win, bro.
Because I'm
Hey,
gonna carry.
share it, you mean I'm sorry, I'm babysitting at the same time, man.
All good, dude. Oh. Caesar nigga.
Oh no!
I know why you lay down. That's an easy target for me.
Right.
That tomahawk would miss him.
Tomahawk! Oh shit, it's too early in the morning.
Oh my
Right in the
god.
toe.
This guy is the king of toes, man.
I swear.
Those?
Toe lover.
No, he dead. That's all it is. Still gonna win. Oh! Yo, he throw a knife and he's fucking me up far away, bro. No! Jay know the fucking map over here. That's why he booted, bro. I don't know about this shit. What the fuck? This is a hiding spot too? Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? I didn't know about that place. You a dirty bitch, bro. This nigga is a dirty bitch.
Yo, that
He
shit
just
he
wait.
went over my. That shit him call me. That shit would have hit. Like, what?
Man, why you knife his ass?
That motherfucker's
Go
on
for that.
Man, I said no.
Yeah, let's get no more fucking around. Let's go.
Mm. You need some help or what?
Who, me?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Do you need help or what?
Oh, I got it. Why you killing, bro?
Yeah, why you kill it, bro?
How about to hit him, bro? Oh,
You
are we
missing all
gonna
your
win
shots.
again, bro? After all that blowout? Oh my god. I'm tired of winning, bro.
Yeah, I hit with a tomahawk behind closed door, bro. Like, what are you talking?
Hmm? Do you understand what I just said? I said I'm tired of winning. I don't know what he's trying to say. Mm. Where are you, bro? Oh, you're over there. What the fuck? Yo. Where's Yumina? Hmm? Yumina!
Now, why can't I slide when I
Why can't I fly? Why can't I fly? Which I don't know. Which I don't know. Still gonna win. Damn. Yo, just stay back here. Don't even go over there. I got it.
Go crazy, go crazy.
Where? 1-9? Never mind.
Bro. Oh my
Damn.
goodness.
They pissed off.
What happened?
They pissed
How the
off.
fuck?
That was nasty. That was nasty.
I don't know what the fuck happened. Wow, it was just moving.
Oh!
Ooh. Well,
That's
you like
hard.
legs too, huh? Okay.
Yeah, only legs. Yo, boy,
Perk, 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 perk. Hoot! You really want me to piss off? 'Cause I don't want. Hey! Stop bring Yumina. Over there.
Oh my.
Yo, what am I?
Oh, you mad?
What am I throwing? I've hit that shit just now.
Yeah, bro. You thought I don't know how to throw knife?
Good shit, good shit.
Hey, Yumina,
Tryna
get
get hit my
out!
knee.
He's resolving.
Yeah.
Come. Come. Hey. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just stop. Kill, you strong. She's a baby.
Take that asshole down. Device is set.
Yeah, but I started
What do
I was
you
like, what?
think this is, Raza? Public game?
No, but I was mad. That was fucking slick as fuck.
Yeah, I knew. After I turned, after I got up, I seen
Right?
a
For
red
like a
light.
Nice, nice.
split second.
Yeah, split
Yeah.
second. I shit. I ain't risking it.
That 120 POV.
I can't.
Nah, but hey, yo, boy, I'm about to get down.
Nah, my FOV is on 60. What are you talking about?
Mine's on 40.
Shut
Mine's
the
on
fuck
120.
up, bro.
No, I'm serious. I can't play high shit.
Mine's on 60. That's the like what you call it, normal way, like that manual setup. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the
mine's
automatic
on
setup right
40.
there. 40?
Yeah,
Nigga, how old are you?
28.
God damn, you ancient.
I just turned
Jay, how old are
29, so
you?
Rasa, chill the fuck out. You're younger than me, couple months.
Bro, shut your Kosraean ass
Younger ass nigga.
Alright,
Yo, bro.
understand. Who's the, since you guys lost that last round, who's the second? You guys? You or him?
What?
Who's the second? You or him?
Tackle?
Yeah, who's the ugly second? You or him?
Oh yeah, I'm about to murk his ass. Yeah, start that bitch up, bro. Listen what? Hmm? Tired?
The word it works.
Listen, you tired?
I really don't like that ninja, but
What the?
oh damn, girl.
Yo, president killed me real quick. He's on top of the tank. What the?
Oh, what a nice shoot. No way. I fucking read everything, right? What? Shit's on his back.
If you throw something at me, I gotta throw his back, bro. If you throw back your fucking tomahawk. And he
Everything they were gonna do just now, I fucking read it. I should have just shot my first shot. Oh! Yeah, both of them in there. You hear me? Coming up. What?
What the fuck? Yo, I'm trying to use the FOV and that shit is too much. 60? Fuck that.
wait, with
That
what?
motherfucker is FOV.
What
Yo, that 60 is crazy, bro. Like, you're running so slow.
Okay with you. He's not using 60.
Oh my god. Fuck you,
I'm
bro.
using 120, brother.
Yo, that shit looks weird
nah.
as fuck. I tried out.
Try 100, 102.
No, I'm going
That's
back
like-
to
it gives
120 because I run like a beast,
That's-
bro.
I'm telling you, on your screen it doesn't look crazy. On other people's screen, fucking wow.
Find him.
And then you're
That's 120
Jay,
right
why did
there.
I do that to you?
120, baby. You lied to me. Nah, when I use 120, I'm feeling good. But that 60, bro, that shit look like a doll running around. Watch out, I do that shit.
or trust me. If you get used to 100, around 100, 102, dude, you're hitting a lot. 'Cause,
Yeah.
like I feel like
Yeah,
your
Jay,
immune
you're the one who
system,
fixed my setting, right? Talking about custom presume, right? What? Yo, let me see if it's a hard school, bro.
Take that asshole down.
No, no, that's a good shot. Oh, that's a good quick shot.
Ah! Oh my!
You're using 100? Are you using AFOV 100? Let me try.
Using 120, bro.
Let me try 100.
You actually thought I was playing on 60?
I mean, I
Weird,
just
bro.
want to check it out.
I can't. Yeah, yeah, but don't do it, bro. That shit is weird. dog.
What you want? What y'all on? Go 100. 100 or
What?
102?
No, 102, yeah. I'm on 100 right now.
Put you guys on. You see how, especially with your SMGs. Your SMG is so much harder.
Yeah, that looks slow though.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. On your screen, it don't look crazy, but other people's like when you guys spectate, you're like,
Yo, I suck at it, bro. I might as well just use my regular fucking shit. Yeah, I'm just saying 120. I suck at that. Cannot even handle it. I'm using a
that's what I'm
big
saying, like,
ass screen, that's why. 65.
oh, yeah, bro. You want your 12V smaller just because you're on.
Yeah, I'm on a
I'm
big
on big
ass
TV.
screen. Like my
I'm on a Walmart TV.
screen is so big. Hey, Yumina! Stop! Stop! Come here, stop. Yellow. Nga tale.
What?
Hindi ko matulap eh.
No way I missed that. I'm gonna hit.
You slip.
Fucking Jay, bro.
1-4, 1-4. 1-4. 1-4.
Why didn't you shoot?
1-4.
I did, but I shot at the wall, dude.
That's what happens when you use 20.
Oh, did he call out my kills? Alright, if you call out my kills, I gotta be serious.
Oh, for real?
Yo, he catch me, bro. Hell no.
motherfucker? Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
The chamber, motherfucker. Oh my.
Time's not on our side.
Fuck.
That's key, bro. You carry me all around the place. Oh my god.
Beraksang LR1 na. Wait, the yeah, LR masang but
7.
mo ko yung point the point na namin ADS so slow up.
Alright, let's get it.
Max 762 is so much more accurate.
What do you mean 762?
The LR sniper. The fuck? Hey yo. I made a game is cap. Oh, that should have hit. You gotta change your lane. Kill his ass. What?
Don't worry, but taka nang kawan awi.
Now my kills is coming up. You ready? Ready to lose?
Yeah, I'm coming in.
Coming in, bro. You just died.
Oh, nice. I'm almost there.
Fuck it. That LW.
No way.
Coming in. Don't play me like that. Don't play me.
Ew. Oh.
Daddy's coming in. Come on, man.
Alright, pissed off, Dan.
Don't
Hard school. All they heard was hard school.
Pissed
Fuck it,
off,
I'm
Dan,
changing
bro.
my damn perk. Why they were getting me because of the fucking perk. Got the edge on. Got ninja and shit.
Money's on the dollar.
Take that asshole down.
Where is he at?
Oh my god, he's on the tower, bro. Yo, you hard scoped me, bro. That's fucked up.
I'm spam.
You hard scoped me and still die? What the fuck?
hard
Hell no.
My
Hard scope?
Yeah, I saw hard scope the fuck out of me, bro.
Oh my
okay,
god. Yeah,
I think he thought he was gonna win.
Oh my.
You want that? That's what you want? Art scope?
Where's... Oh! Golly, that would execute my ass.
Sit down, bro.
Hey, your right hand got assassinated.
What's up? Yeah, that's a well deserved.
Nah, nah, I was going for you, but he had his hand in the ball
I just
on
got
a
up
building.
there, bro. I just got up there. You
Like,
jumped
I
off.
was like,
And
yo.
then you...
I heard the glass break, I thought you was just...
Still cows it now.
GG's, boys. Yeah, I'm gonna go play with my boys, yeah? I'm gonna play with my boys real quick. That
What if you want time, bro?
1v1?
Yeah, Mr.
Put that on
President,
your
1v1
schedule,
me
'cause
before you go.
my
Get
schedule's
smacked
full,
and
bro.
then leave.
I don't...
Come on, bro.
Look, I don't play fans, bro. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta pay for that. You gotta
Alright,
pay me
adios,
to get
senor.
1v1 out of me, bro.
Alright, senorita.
Alright, bro. Hey, stay safe, boys.
Alright, y'all.
All love, stay blessed. Shoots.
Shit. I wanna
1v1?
run like a free for all.
Oh, you're right. Free for all, free for all.
1v1?
Alright, whatever you boot. Russell, why you don't talk, bro?
What do you mean?
Oh, he's right there. Okay, it's the king is invite. Join us, bro. We need some targets.
Bro, you're the easiest target here.
Alright, 1v1 me. Rasa, come on, put it up, bro. You mean not
Why
come?
you
Don't
wanna
do
win?
that.
Why you want to 1v1 me so bad?
10, nigga. Doing 10.
Let's do 10 then.
10.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat. That's too easy for me, bro. Oh shit, he joined. No, 10 is crazy, bro. 10 is too fast, like, damn.
Time to get our hands dirty, Black Ops. Get to work.
Damn.
One.
Mmm. Hell no, let me see that. Why you art scope me, bro? Oh my god, what the fuck? Nigga just look at me the whole time, bro. You wanna art scope, nigga? Oh! Now you want art scope. Art scope is allowed. No!
One.
No! No, open it!
This guy.
Hey, you hard scope me, so you better get ready for it.
This
That's what you want? That's what you want, bro. You a hard scoper?
hard scoping ass
Nigga, you hard scoped me twice. You're the one who started. Thank you. Thank you.
Hard scoping.
Hey, that's what you want, bro.
Hard scope, we can hard scope.
Oh, I just saw it. Why I didn't shoot? Oh, what the?
Your ass up, nigga.
You want a hard scope? That's what you get. If you want a quick scope, just let me know, bro. I'm ready for that.
You're just too good.
I'm just letting you know that I can.
You're just him. No, but that's me. I'm about to hop off.
Alright, yeah. Chi.
Shoot. Wait, Raza said he's getting on?
Yeah, let's play, Che.
You going 10?
You can put 25 or something. Good job, Jason. You take care of Lumina. Good job. Nah, I ain't going hard scope here, I promise. I mean, you're a good shooter, bro.
What's up?
First blood.
Can't hit no. Lost. What? Did it shoot?
Oh! That's a nice one, Che.
I really left the
Oh,
like that.
that's a setup. That's a setup. What? I didn't need it? Ain't no way. That's crazy. Oh! From behind is crazy. Oh, I was chasing you for that. Oh, shit. Oh!
I thought you were gonna go around.
No, I tried to turn back. Oh, bro.
Trust me, bro. Take, like whatever. You don't have to hit everything.
Oh my god, I missed it. Nice shot. I feel that one.
What? No way.
No, bro. What the freak?
Oh. Yo, I always get stuck by that little flower bed right there. I always get stuck on it, like, I'm trying to slide.
Yeah, sometimes your character just stuck. What? Yo, that's a good timing. How the hell? Oh! Ain't no way. I never do that before. Oh, that's a 3-piece.
Oh, shit. Oh. Try to...
Oh no, bro! How the fuck you so good at that knife? Yo. Headshot.
Nice. Chamber's crazy.
Oh! I miss all my shit.
Honest, I don't even aim at you.
Yo, what the fuck?
I mean, I like air predict or whatever. That's where you're going. Wait. Yeah. I can't hit right
I learned that shit.
now. Shit.
Somebody's here. With us.
Whoa. What's that? Tree. Oh, you did it like noise.
What the fuck?
What? What?
Did he kill me? Oh no, he killed me.
Yeah, this game is tough. Yo, this sniper's tough.
What the? Do you have like more than 4 ammo? Do you have more than 4 bullets?
Yeah. I picked up this guy's gun. So saved my life.
Wow, what the freak?
Shit. Damn. Fuck, I missed that shit. Oh, I'm trash. Oh, fuck. Oh,
Why are you art scoping, bro? The dude that just joined is starting to art scope, bro. We're too fast for it, bro. Wow. Oh, he's using a fucking scope, a small scope too. He's alright.
Oh, we got 14 seconds, bro.
Yeah, I don't know why he didn't put the time. Kita, unyumin na. Nice. Damn, that's the fucking knife. Yo, let me 1v1 that guy that joined. Down. Alright, come on. Alright,
Uncle
come.
Chubbs.
Go spectating. Go spectating, bro. Yeah, start that shit.
Yeah, man.
Bye. Huh?
put it up to 30.
Alright.
I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette. Hey,
Alright.
start.
That's what's up. Mm. Mm. Yes, wala. Listen, stop crossing the I'm playing. Stop crossing the screen. What the hell are you doing? Yeah.
So,
After we battle this out, I'm a stand put my own to just 4 bullets only. Yeah.
Put it
Go,
to
go, go,
what?
go, go. Only 4.
Oh. So you say you wanna do your setting?
I got. Let's go.
Alright, copy that. No. That's nice for me. Damn, I cannot see your carrot. Yo, it's hard to see. I only see your name tag. It's fucked up. No, bro, I cannot shoot that Terminator, bro. No. No way, I keep running straight to you.
Hey.
No! But that's a hip fire. Yo, I swear I cannot see him, bro. What the fuck? And I'm pulling up with the white fucking shirt. Mm. No way! How the fuck have these? Terminator have a skinny ass. That's I cannot shoot his buddy. His buddy's too stupid, I swear. It's almost, I gotta shoot, I'm not gonna. Fuck, that's almost. Wow. Yo! Yo!
What the fuck?
Oh! What the fuck? I just walking? Yo, I just crouching. What the? No!
Good game, good game, good game.
Good game, good game.
Damn, you got the kill streak.
Who took that one?
This guy.
Right.
What's up, Jay?
I want to run free for all.
Yeah. Just play free
I'm
for all.
down.
Get down, Yumina. Down. 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 No, it's not slide, it's hurt.
Bitch,
That's not a slide. We're playing to what?
Oh damn. Down fucking ass sniper.
I'm going to the Alright.
You got that shit.
Bro, I like your gun, dog.
What the fuck? Why am I moving like this, bro? Like stop and bush. Oh
Your
my
shit is
God.
so accurate. Just like,
No!
can you take that scope off or does it have to be on
I don't know, came with that. I'm trying to look for
there?
the
Like
other one.
take that, feel like you take that scope off.
The scope's too slow, right?
Yeah, it's just heavy as fuck. And then, just saying, if I pick that shit up, I barely aim down sight and it goes. Like, if you tap your aim down sight, and like, don't wait for the sniper, just tap it and press that shit. Or at least kind of make the sniper sway. That's whenever I pick my shit up.
Hey, stop being son. Don't make her cry.
Ah, fuck! Oh no, I was reloading. Hold up, let me just fucking put this shit to 4 bullets real quick.
Oh. Fuck. Yeah. Bro, if I could fucking take that that fucking ninja perk.
not hit. Oh my god. This guy in his axe, bro. Oh. Oh wow.
Bro, what? I had to reload, man. I don't know where to go. I would almost hit one of y'all.
No.
Damn, that fucking car, bro.
Park that fucking car there. Oh, why you take my kill? Ay.
No, bro.
Wait, I missed.
Hey.
Damn. Let's stay away from the fucking game. A minute long. My settings I have on feels too fucking fast.
Oh, my bad there. I hard scope there. Hard scope there. Hard scope there. I know I hard scope there.
Damn, that's
Oh,
a lucky
shit.
shot. Yo.
What?
Oh. Hey, how's that? How's that? I can't. Is it kind of better now? Or just the scope? I don't know what fucking scope to put, bro.
What the
Don't
fuck?
even put a scope on it. Just take the scope off. Any scope you put on it makes it slower. Oh shit, you hit that. Oh, should have hit. I should have shot. On, better reload. Better reload.
No, bro.
Oh, what a nice square. My gun is not shooting.
Ah, fuck.
Mm.
3, 2. Almost took that.
Ah, fuck.
Shit. Fucking
Eh. Oh my god, that guy killed me.
Damn.
What is that? Fuck. I like that.
What the?
Damn, I feel like my sensor's too quick. Too sensitive. Too fast. Use up on you guys and whoop. Whoop. Oh, damn, that shit missed. Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god. This guy.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What the f— No way.
How'd that not hit?
Oh god, let me get that.
What
Cheap
the?
receiver. Oh shit. Yeah.
The wall day?
Yeah.
Oh, I should have shot him. Battery.
I'm lagging it.
No way. What the fuck?
How did I not? Save my life.
What the hell? No way.
Fucking miscount, man. Ah, my god. I'm hot.
Oh shit. Yo, I see you dive. I think that times two. I was slide. Boom.
I'm up, go. GG's, GG's.
Grab some.
I guess doing. Give me.
Alright, now it's our turn. You hear me? Give me hard.
Are you mad? Hmm? Chegamos, pessoal. Não é mad. Come, you want ice? Chegamos, pessoal. I'm sorry.
Damn.
Oh. What? Headshot. What, bro? I missed that. I saw you.
What?
Yo!
Oh my god. Delay.
Yo, sorry. That's too late. What the freak? Yo, you're really good at that, man. You almost got me again. No! Whoa.
That was my last bullet. Damn.
Whoa! Damn.
I told you don't peek.
Ain't no way, bro.
No! I had to get away. Didn't peek again. Like, I knew I could. I was gonna die when I got up. That's crazy. What? That didn't hit? That is fucked.
What the?
Where'd you go?
What the freak? Bro, the way you move is weird. It's like side to side.
What do you mean?
Like I cannot shoot at it.
Oh, I fucking aimed down so late. Hold that. What? Shit. No, that didn't hit. I fucking see the damn glass shatter. That throwing knife, I miss. Slow down. Shit. I can't hit no more.
Yo!
What? Damn. Why is that not connected? Oh shit.
What the freak? No way this guy's good at that edge. No way, bro. What? I stopped, bro.
Oh. Sorry.
Ooh.
Oh! The fuck? That's not supposed to hit.
Ain't no way. I cannot pass that area. Fuck that.
Oh, why'd I dive right to? Fuck. Oh no shot.
What? Oh, that's nice.
No. As soon as I missed, I knew it dead.
Yeah.
Alive, better step up.
Oh.
What?
Oh, I got stuck in the door. Who the fuck? Oh, why can't I shoot?
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo! What the fuck?
Shit. Oh, no, I think this is the last one. Oh, fuck this shit.
No, bro. Hell. Nice, nice, nice. Dog.
That was luck. Oh, yeah, yeah. Fucking disgusting. That shit is embarrassing, bro. Oh, that's the one that I was saying. Wait, that shit didn't hit. See the bullet? Like, it
I
was
mean, I just
coming right
fixed
at
my
you.
slaving, bro. At the beginning, when I just played with y'all, I was like fucking frustrated. Now I can hit my shot. Hmm? Hey! Come, come.
Fucking. I be switching it while we play.
Hmm? What?
Yeah.
What do you say?
I said my settings. Like, I mess with it while we're playing and shit. Like, all, like all the time. Almost every fucking game I'm messing with.
Not tired.
You wanna
Hear me
run?
now? Wanna run what?
So you wanna run it one more time and then go play maybe
Hell yeah.
Surge or something? You wanna use the same map or you wanna switch it up? Fuck it, let's switch it. Dun, dun. Oh!
Oh, bro. That movement is up. Do you use corner slice?
What do you mean?
Corner slice. It's
little
on your
option?
movement.
Oh yeah, I have it on.
Oh shit, that's why you move on the corner and sometimes it's hard for me to shoot, bro. I know, I knew it. I knew it, bro.
It's usually, I think it's really for
Oh shit. Let me turn it on then.
oh, it kind of gives you like a better look around corners.
Alright, let me try it out.
Oh
Oh,
shit.
that's right. The way I spin right now is kind of like, I mean, it's a short movement on the flight, but yeah, bro. Oh, I suck at this fucking movement. Oh, look, the squad made me run like a newbie. I think I used to the without it already.
I don't really know how it works. That corner slice shit, I don't know how that shit works. I just have it on because people say it's good. I don't know.
Hmm.
But what I do know is the door thing.
Oh yeah, yeah, the sprint doors on the door.
No, the when you automatically aim in the door,
What?
kind of like you peek in the door.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, there's an option for it. I have that one on. That one gives you all the fucking door plays. Like you can run through the doors and
Yeah, you're
everything.
talking about like when you're next
Fuck.
to a door and then you aim, you're automatically aim. Kukul on.
Yeah, like your
Yeah,
camera.
yeah.
Yeah,
You
camera kind
move
of
on the side of the
like crooked
corner
a
and
little.
then target, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Since that gives you that automatic aim in the door,
Mhm.
all you gotta do is aim down sight, shoot.
Oh, bro, that's a turnover right there. I see.
Damn.
I see you lay down. So I was like,
Oh shit, wrong side.
oh, bro, I gotta start shooting while I'm in the air, cause I am so stuck at it. Oh, that's
Ah,
dirty.
fucking so late. What?
Oh shit. Yo, bro. Where the hell are? What the fuck? I cannot see you, bro.
I jumped, bro. Oh shit. What? I just looked over there. Bro, I checked that spawn, you weren't there.
Oh,
Ah!
bro.
Nice timing.
There's a
I was about
wall
to do my
bang.
one.
What?
Oh
What? Yo, what the fuck just happened, bro? I keep pressing this stupid ass R2. That motherfucker keep delaying, like. Oh my goodness. No way. My uniform is too whitey. Oh yeah.
Let me see that. Oh shit, I didn't see.
It just a spin.
Oh shit.
Boy. Yo, your freaking character is so black.
What the fuck? I wanna see it.
Just a par.
Ain't charged my phone.
You good? Oh, whole bang. What? That's my chance and I fucked it up.
No way, I missed that.
Oh shit. Whoa, bro. He's freaking camouflage. I see you. No. Down.
I should hit this fucking. Ah! Shoot about it. Oh shit.
What?
What the fuck? Oh, that didn't hit. Some lie. Ah! I knew that was coming too. But hold that. Oh. Is that even close? Nope.
What? You're behind me, bro. You didn't see shit. I see you now.
Damn.
Oh, bro.
That was perfect. Damn. I was just about to slide. What? What? That should have hit.
Oh. Nice, nice, nice. Yumina. Yes, Yumina.
Yes.
Yumina. Yash.
Gotta fuck. Let's play.
Jay,
Yo.
I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna shower my daughter.
Alright, bro.
Alright, nice game with you, my brother.
Yes, sir. Be safe.
You too. Come, son.
Charging. I charge it.
Where?
He's just waiting for it. I wait for that one, the phone. Just me charge, Daddy. I charge good.